It's being reported that officials out of Illinois are conjuring up regulations for the Illinois medical marijuana program. What they are proposing is that in order to get your medical marijuana card, you will have to give up your right to own a firearm, period. If this isn't a direct violation of the Constitution and Bill of Rights, I don't know what is. The NRA isn't even coming out in defense of legal marijuana users who own guns, saying they have no position on the issue. Probably because the NRA only stands up for the Second Amendment when it's convenient for them to earn political points with the Republican establishment's base, aka the wannabe conservatives, as I like to call them, to appear that they are actually opposition to gun control advocates. For all you wannabe conservatives who are in favor of this and think it's a good idea, you are a supporter of gun control, and definitely not a conservative. You're probably praising the NRA for their position of not taking a position, and probably think that legal marijuana users deserve to have their guns confiscated. You are an authoritarian scumbag, just like the ones you claim to hate. If you want to take guns away from people who smoke marijuana, even if they're smoking it legally, well then I guess we'll have to take the guns away from all the legal alcohol users and prescription pill poppers, because those substances are way more dangerous than pot and kill thousands of people a year on record already. The NRA cannot stay quiet on this issue. They are either pro-Second Amendment or anti-Second Amendment. Not defending legal marijuana users' rights to own guns is not defending the Second Amendment. Selectively choosing which law-abiding Americans have the right to keep and bear arms, which is what these officials are proposing, is not okay and a violation of the Constitution, and the NRA should be outraged. The fact that marijuana is still not legal in the land of the free, home of the brave, but prescribing 8-year-old kids Adderall, which is basically prescription meth, is legal, is unbelievable. Also, while we're on the subject, as far as I know, convicted felons who have done their time and are now free are not allowed to vote or own firearms. I don't understand how that is legal under the Bill of Rights. If you've served your time and are out of prison, how in the land of the free, home of the brave are you not granted your rights under the Constitution? If former felons are not in jail anymore and they are free, well then they've proved they're not a danger to society, or else they'd still be in jail. Wannabe conservatives who support former felons and legal marijuana users not having their Second Amendment right, you are a supporter of gun control, and not a conservative. This clearly violates the Constitution. If you support this proposed legislation, just know you are supporting confiscating guns from former military who have put their lives on the line on your behalf and may want to relax and smoke a little pot because only God knows what they've been through. Stu Webb signing off. Subscribe.